Had 5 cups of sticky rice or sweet rice ខ្ញុំមាន5កែវអង្ករដំណើប Soak it in the water overnight or a couple hour យើងត្រាំទឹកមួយយប់ឬក៏2-3ម៉ោង I use this kind of steamer ខ្ញុំប្រើឆ្នាំងចំហុយរបៀបនេះ use these ប្រើអានេះ strain your sticky rice ស្រង់យកទឹកចេញ After you soak for overnight or a couple hours, you strain the water out. Water boil ទឹកពុះហើយ The steamer in ដាក់ចំហុយអញ្ចឹង Steam for 15 minutes យើងចំហុយ 5-10 minutes. Every now and then you gotta turn the rice. យើង go by 15 minutes is done. 5-10 minutes ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងបិទភ្លើង I will turn off the heat. Sticky rice look like it stick together. That's why they call sticky rice.